South Carolina Fall Classic. Team Marshall Marine Key West boats. Day one, got Mr. McClure, Uncle Tony on the boat. Got him rigged up, ready to go. Little short rigger bling bling. Yamaha 250 gonna get a little workout today. We making a ride. We gonna roll, but look at this ocean. Oh, we sinking. We sinking. Waiting on the bait to come up. Waiting on the bait to wake up. Now McClure carries a little luck. You know, he is the world champion Spanish mackerel fisherman. The world champion. So we do have a little bit of luck on our side, because between the other two of us, we ain't had much this year. Oh, what's that over there? Man, I swear I keep hearing them. Water temperature out here. Crazy. All that storm water coming out of Georgetown has everything like 5 and 6 degrees cooler indoors. That's why we chose to come out here. Don't know that it's going to pay off, but I know the water temperature's come up 7 degrees since we were indoors. We shall see. Oh yeah, McClure at work. How long did that take, McClure? About what, 5 minutes? Seconds. Oh, come on, be a king. Be a good one. She smoked it down, didn't she? All right, I got all the rods are on that side, so we'll try to keep her on this left side of the boat. Tony, you want to, oh, shit. I mean, shoot, pardon me. Tony, you want to go ahead and get, oh, she's swimming good. Tony, you want to get that gap down from up top, please?
She hasn't realized she's hooked yet.
Huh?
She doesn't know she's hooked yet.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Let's take our time. We're not rushed. There's oh Lord, I got to get out the way. All right, go ahead, come on down. Let's get her off the boat. Hang on. All right. Just remember, you got rods on the right side. Keep it, dude. There we go. I like that. I'll gaff. So I wouldn't. Don't put it there. Keep it back here in the back. You just put it in that back rod holder. Sorry, we should have come up with a game plan. That is the tough part about. She knows she's hooked now. By the way, McClure. Yeah. She knows she's hooked. Come on. Come on. The major has just started. We literally got just got the lines in the water. Just put the downrigger down. I was going to the front to put the trolling motor down, and bam! Now, was this on the downrigger? Oh, it was on the downrigger, wasn't it? I literally just put that bait down, y'all. 35 foot. Because we're on this little boat, I try to keep everything on one side or the other fighting it. So we'll, I mean, of course, we ain't gonna have a lot of control at times. Just don't be an amberjack. Don't be a reef donkey. And I just have a hard time believing it'd be a reef donkey the way she ran. And she's still running. That's a monster. Hang on. Hold. Take your time. There you go. Wow! Keep filming. You're filming, dude. That's a good one. Hey, it's filming all the way. God dang it. Woo. Dude, that's a good one. That's a good one, McClure. That's a good one, brother. That right there made the trip worth it, boys. What I tell you, the first fish. Can you see what you're filming? Here, there you go. Yeah, because you filming.
All right.
Where's it at?
It's right under him, right here, right beside the boat.
You see the fish?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on.
Coming up right beside the boat here.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
How about that,
Right.
Mr. McClure?
There's a 20-something pounder in the boat. I like it. That's a good start, boys. Good job, McClure. Good job. All right. Good start. Hey, we got one in the boat. Look at that, dude. Huh? Was it a shark chasing him?
No.
Good job, McClure. Look at that. That's a good one, dude.
That's
McClure.
my biggest cobia.
McClure, that'll be what?
My biggest cobia.
I know. Hey, look here. I had to think long and hard. Oh, look at him on top. Let's go after him. Keep reeling.
On the show.
Yeah, baby. Got some kings in the box. We're gonna throw a... Hey, get that bucket out the way. Get everything out the back of the boat. Anything on the floor out the back of the boat. I'm gonna try and do a quick gap on this one. One of us is gonna be sorry. Me or the fish. We got to go catch a big king. McClure, this is awesome, dude. Good job.
All right, English, stop. He's running across in front of the boat.
No, he's going the other way. Look, I can see him. He's swimming the other way. That's awesome, dude. That is, oh, that's a good one too, dude. He's chunky cold Medina. Hey, so much for that rig, by the way. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Here. Put that on. There you go. Protect your jewels, buddy. Protect your jewels. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's mad, dude. He's mad. Hey, we're gonna eat good, y'all. We're gonna eat good, McClure. So much for not cleaning fish tonight, doggone it. I'll do it for you, buddy. Huh? Oh, good no. We're gonna gap that son of a gun. Well, y'all need to, hey, when I gap him, y'all need to run. And he ain't near ready to come in yet. That's the problem. This is what I was worried about. But as long as we're not, hey, we're not gonna be upset if we lose him, are we? Tighten that drag up just a hair. Press it down and press the button and slide it forward just a hair. There you go. Put a little more on him. I can drive the boat and get to him. If it was a tournament fish, I'd be worried about it. I mean, I do want to get him in, don't get me wrong. Especially now that you told me he's your biggest. That makes a big difference. Oh, he's right under the boat. Hang on. Oh, here he comes. Nope. Did he dive?
Yeah, here he is.
I like when he was on top. You see him?
Yeah.
All right. Hang on. All right. All right. Let's get him on top. All right.
We could have free gaffed him.
Oh, yeah, we could have free gapped him. Hey, not it on that one. All right, I got to let the camera go for a minute. I got to go get, oh, here. You come over here. Get ready to run. That's all I can say. Get ready to run.
I am ready.
Oh, pull up. See if you can pull up. Tony, put me in gear for a little bit. Put me in gear here. Oh, put me in gear, turn right. I'm trying, buddy, I'm trying. That's all right, you're trying to film and I got you busy, I know. Oh, here we go. Here we go, he's gone. He's gone. Oh, boy. Oh. Drag one on the gaff. Bump me in gear. Bump me in gear. Hang on. Oh, yeah. Oh. All right, neutral. Doggone it. Oh my God, look at right here beside us. Tony, film that. Look.
Look right there.
Look at that.
Look at there.
Hey, y'all.
Not big.
All right, go forward. You go on top. Look at that. That's a baby and a mama. All right, here we go. God, I hope they don't get him. Oh.
That is so cool right there.
Yep. Oh.
The dolphins are
I got it. Hang on. Is he under the motor?
No.
Hang on. Oh. All right, here we go. He's on top. Hang on. Good job, Tony. Good job doing it. He's like, y'all get me away from the dolphins. Look at them. They're coming at us. I'm gonna get you back up front again, okay? All right, here we go.
Did McClure just say he's wore out?
No, he said, who you talking about, me or the fish? He didn't say he was wore out. All right, come on. Good job, buddy, good job. All right, come on, right here. Come on up, folks. Come on, here we go. He's trying, but you got him. You got him, dude. Way to go, McClure. There you go. All right, hold on, here he goes. He's trying to dive, McClure won't let him. Oh, he's rolling over. Hold on 1 second. He's got him right here, I think. Dude, isn't that crazy? They are so strong, y'all. All right, here we go. All right.
All right, McClure.
Get out the way, McClure.
I'm ready.
Give him some line.
Okay, good.
Nice gas job, buddy.
In the box! In the box, baby!
Yes!
In the box!
In the box.
Here you go.
In the bag.
Whoa.
Okay, so I'll cut it.
Yeah.
Dude, it's actually not shot.
There we go. Whew. How about that, boys? That's how you do it. Took a little while longer than I wanted it to. Good job, y'all.
buddy. Good job.
Good job, McClure.
Nice job, McClure.
Yep.
Congrats on your biggest cobia ever, dude.
Way to go, brother.
Hey, and all the dolphins that come up and wanted to play with your cobia. That was cool. You'll never get that on film again.
Nope.
You'll never see that on film again.
Trilogy Outdoors. This is how we do it.